Today's tech tip is using these bus bars. I don't know what they're exactly called, but that's what I've known them as. But they work great for connecting a bunch of grounds together. You can put your wires for the doors in here on the grounding side, and then the battery and the alarm and to the chassis of the trailer. That works great. But where they also work great is if you have a bunch of doors, you can bring the trip side of the door to these and then only have one wire going back to the alarm system, because on the alarm system there is only one input. And really, if you're in a trailer, all you're worried about is if somebody opens a door or whatever. So that's why there's only one input. There's no zones. So I got this 4-pack on Amazon for less than $10. See y'all.